Hey guys, welcome back to the Insanity Carnival. I picked up this heated shield open face snowmobile helmet for Christmas. And because it's got a heated visor, I gotta wire it up. This snowmobile 2004 had a jack, but it looks like it's fallen out and missing. So I'm gonna wire in the new one. Probably gonna have to splice some of the wires in order to figure out a way, because I wanted to rig up through that hole so I can connect it to the helmet. Seems like a pretty easy install, but thought I'd show you guys how to do it. Let's get going. Alright. This cable needs to connect to the battery. Positive and negative of the battery. None of it fits through this hole to get down and wrap around through. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this wire here. And then we're going to feed this all the way through and connect it down. So let's do that. Okay, strip the wires here, and now I'm just going to use a butt end crimp to connect them. These wires are really skinny. Should be using some heat shrink here, which I don't have, so this is my next best alternative. Get some crimps and electrical tape. Alright, she's in. Now she gets taped. Next step is to connect the negative and the positive. Has a 3 amp inline fuse. Done. Next is we'll secure this wire against this wire. Let's do that now. Okay, it's all wired in. It's connected here and here. Point up. Zip tied it in. Comes across and out here. So this piece isn't secured in. It kind of just fits in that hole. I'm gonna throw a little epoxy in there and just kind of hold it to seal it in. And let's give it a try.